Hey guys, so today I'm going to do a review on this. Hey guys, so today I'm going to do a review on this Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless Foundation. This is one of the raving foundation currently available in India, and I wanted to give you my review and my thoughts on this. So if you guys are interested, then please keep on watching. This is the Maybelline Fit Me foundation that I am going to review today. It's the Maybelline Matte Plus Poreless Fit Me foundation, and I am in the shade 330 Toffee Caramel. So if you guys are someone with my shade, I think this color will suit you. So they came out with around 6 shades in India. Although they have an array of 20 shades outside India, they have it in the US. But they only launched 6 shades, and this being the darkest color, I think they do not have shades for girls with much deeper skin tone, which is a setback, which I think they should have launched all the 20 colors in India, because Indian skin ranges from the lightest to the deepest. So yeah, that is something I would say is a con of this. So the price is around 525 rupees, which I would say is a affordable price, and also the availability is not an issue because it is very easily available all over India. This is how the actual packaging looks like. It comes in a clear glass bottle and it has a cap. When you open the cap, it doesn't have any applicator or any pump in it, which is a really big setback, because it becomes very easy with a pump or applicator to apply the foundation, but it doesn't have that, which is actually a con. Yeah, let's just start putting this on my face so I can show you how it applies. So you can see this is how the consistency look like. It's not very liquid, but it's not very creamy itself. It's somewhere in the between. So you can see it's going down my hand. But yeah, I'm going to start applying it on my face. So I start dotting it all over my face. I'm going to apply it using this buffing brush. I'm not sure if you can see, but it is clinging on to my dry patches. If you are very close to my face, you can see that it clinged on to my dry patches. But then I would say it is matte foundation then, and I am a dry skin person, so it might do that. Just rubbing it in. So yeah guys, I just applied the foundation, and by touching it, it doesn't feel tacky at all. Also, it feels very lightweight. I don't feel that I have any foundation onto my skin, and it blended really well. It blended very easily into my skin. I didn't have to go like blend it super hard. It blended very easily. Also, I feel it doesn't look cakey. It does look natural. Plus, I just felt that it did cling on to my nose area, like around my nose, but then a lot of foundation do that. A lot of foundation cling around my nose area because I have dry skin. Plus this is a matte foundation, so I wouldn't give it a bad mark for that, because a lot of foundation do that, and that's just how my face is, how my nose area is. So yeah, I'll just complete my face makeup and come back. So yeah guys, I just completed my face makeup, and this is how the foundation is looking on my face. So let's start with the pros. The pros would be it's very affordable, it's very easily available in India. The amount of shade that they came out really suits the Indian skin tones. Also, it's very lightweight guys. I don't feel like I have foundation on my face. It's very lightweight. It is very easy to blend, and it gives you that natural finish that everybody is looking for when they apply makeup, any kind of makeup. So yeah guys, that's about the pros. About the cons, so if you have extremely dry skin, like really dry flaky skin, I think you would not like this product because it will accentuate your dry patches, because it does clings on to them. It did cling on to the dry patch around my nose, so I did see that happening. Also, if you are extremely oily, I think it's not a complete oil control foundation. You will start to see oil on your face after 4 hours of application. So if you are on the extreme side of the skin, being a extreme dry or extreme oily, I think this foundation would not suit you. Also, going about one of their claims that it will just fill in my pores, I don't think that is true, because I could see some oil on my T-zone after like 4 hours of using this. So yeah, that is something that I would say it's not true with that. This is a medium coverage foundation, so if you have really bad acne or spots on your face, I think you would not want to go for this one. In that case, you want to go for a complete full coverage foundation. All in all, if you do not have extremely oily or extremely dry skin, this is a very good foundation to go for. It's affordable, it's lightweight, it has a lot of shades available. Also, it's very easily available in India. I like it for my skin. This is one of my favorite foundation in the current scenario. So yeah, that's all for this video guys. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you do, then please like the video and subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Bye.